Hey everyone, Mike Okert here. Hey, so I wanted to go over something that comes up quite a bit, and that is credit repair. How do I repair my credit, raise my score so I can buy a home? So I'm going to tell you something that you're probably not going to hear anywhere about raising your credit. In most cases, you hear that you need to go and buy something and build credit over a period of time, and that's what you do. You buy a couch, you buy a car, whatever that it is. How about you don't have to buy anything? I'm going to tell you how to use your own money to build that credit and do it within 6 to 7 months. Okay? I don't care whether you have a 450 credit score or you have a 600 credit score. So, what you do is locate 3 banks that will allow you to do a secured loan. Okay? Secured loan meaning you hand them money, they're going to secure it, they're going to give you the same amount of money back, but you have to pay it back. You got to show that you're a good creditor. Okay? Now, they're going to charge you some interest. Let's just say right now it's 21% interest. Okay, I'm just being ridiculous here. Okay, that doesn't matter. Okay, try to call one of your local credit repair agencies to find out what that costs to fix your credit, and then we'll talk if this is a high amount. 21%. You're going to see that you would pay very, very, very little. I don't even think you're going to spend $100, if that. All right, so preferably you'll have like $1,500, and you'll find 3 different banks that allow you to open or get a secured loan. Okay, so let's take as an example Ent Federal Credit Union. You take $500, you walk in the bank, say I'd like to get a secured loan. You would hand them the $500 that you have. They would open up a savings account, and what they would do is they would take the $500 you gave them, they would put it in there, and they would secure it. They would lock it in there. Okay, and as you make payments, it will unlock that money. Okay, so they're gonna say, ma'am, sir, how do we want to, how would you like that money? You want to take it in cash? You want to deposit? You want them to deposit the money in the checking account that you're going to have them open. So you're going to have a savings account with them, and you're going to have a checking account. The savings account has your $500 secured. The checking account is now going to have the $500 that they loaned you. Okay? And then they're going to say, how do you want to make payments on it? Okay? And so then you're going to say, take the payments from the checking account. Okay? Now, let's say it's $75 a month or whatever it is. They're going to charge you interest. That's okay. So you need to leave it in the bank for at least 6 to 7 months, okay, in order to establish that you're a great creditor. All right? But you need to look out after the, near that, 4th, 5th payment, whatever the monthly payment is. So if the monthly payment was $108, you'd know in the 4th month that you're going to need to bring $8 because there's only $100 left, after the first few payments, okay? But you're only paying interest, okay? So if the payment's $75, the first month's going to come out of there, the second month, the third month, remember they're taking interest as well. And then near those last months, just make sure that whatever is in the account doesn't drop below what the payment is, If it does, you need to put that much into the account so when the payment comes due, then you can pay it. Okay? It's not going to be very much at all. At most, across 3 accounts, could only be maybe $300 at most that it would cost you. Okay? Now, at the end of the period, the payment period, that they've taken that payment back, it's going to unlock the amount because you paid all the money back. So not only are you going to have your $500 that they originally secured, you only paid out what little bit of interest they may have charged you, and near those last payment, you might have had a shortage, and so you would have to true that up. But then just pay yourself back out of the $500 that you had, okay? So it'll be a wash by the time that you're done. So out of $1,500, if you had $300 in expenses when it's all done, you'll get it all back. You'll still walk away with $1,200 when it's all said and done. You'll have great stellar credit with 3 banks. You'll have shown them that you have made payments for the last 6-7 months. You'll have paid next to nothing in interest, and then you'll have good credit. So, all right. Thank you much.